Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by measuring precisely lug width and desired strap length in mm because fit dictates function. Choose material next: leather for dress, silicone for sweat, nylon for durability. Once done, cut material 2-4 mm wider than lug and mark stitch lines. This prevents fraying and ensures edge finish. Make sure to gather tools: spring bar tool, adhesive, needle and thread, and a ruler. By beginning with exact measurements and materials, you avoid rework and speed the build. You now glue and shape the strap. Align 2 halves precisely, then clamp for 10-15 minutes so adhesive sets uniformly. Once the glue holds, stitch along the marked seam. Use consistent spacing to distribute stress and prevent tears. Make holes with a punch size to the buckle pin and install loops or keepers, reinforcing with edge paint or a small grommet to stop elongation. As you work, check symmetry and bend the strap over a form to set the curve. You finish by trimming, sanding, and applying an edge coat. This seals fibers and improves water resistance. Once dry, fit the spring bars and buckle. Make sure the buckle alignment matches hole spacing and that lug connection sits flush. Flex the strap about 50 cycles to seat everything and test comfort. If you find gaps at the lug, add a thin shim or re-glue under the end. If holes tear, replace with a grommet. These quick fixes keep your strap functional and durable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.